channel. You're watching Kaylee Ray, and today's video I'm gonna be going to the beach and I'm so excited. Yeah, continue this journey at my brother's birthday. So right now I'm in the car with my niece and we are waiting for my mom and my sister to get my brother's gift. So you love your little puppy, your little lady from the trunk. No camera, no paparazzi. So I'm at my dad's house and I'm going to be looking at the calves. So they got some new baby calves and they're just so cute. Oh, they're scared. They're new. Hey buddies, you're really cute. Aww. These super cute cows. We are officially here at the beach and we're celebrating my brother's birthday. So yeah, super excited. So right now I'm on the beach and I'm gonna be going into the water, so I'm super excited for that. So yeah, stay tuned. So right now I'm just kind of walking around the beach, just looking at the stuff, enjoying nature. So stay tuned, see what's next, and yeah. I made this sandcastle and I thought it was really cool and I was kind of proud of it. I kind of liked how the design turned out. back. This is me in the future. I got burnt really bad. No, but I did have a lot of fun. Yeah, my brother's 25, super happy. This trip was so much fun. So thanks so much for watching this. I love you guys. I probably will film again once this is gone, but thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos from me.